So this is day 2. I am up. I just need to go and get ready. I am almost ready and late for breakfast.
That can happen in AI. That can be used used against AI.
Okay. Understood. So safety and security risk. Now you understand.
I am almost ready and very late. I hope I'm not missing out on anything. And okay, this goes data. I really like the way this entire window thing captures and gives me some light. But yeah, I'll see you maybe by evening, and maybe I'll try shooting some videos as well. This is how I look, and yeah.
పిల్లలు కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి.
It's my privilege to extend a warm welcome to you to this. Everybody together comes and organizes this one. The deliberate and hope, there have been a lot of takeaways for everyone. Most of Kerala Police flagship projects of Cyber or drone research labs are all based on this PPP model.
This is the 5th gen computer that we were learning about in school. So this is Kochi Metro Rail, and this is a 100 passenger boat. Beautiful initiative by the government.
This is so let's say if we capture the
These are quite interesting. This is capirate vinegar. It's sherry vinegar, and I think the plant is this. Then here are jalapenos, and the plant is this. Then this is rice cooking seasoning, and I guess the plant is this. Interesting.
With that method, you can open the lock. You shouldn't be hold like this. It should be hold like this only. Are you getting my point? Are you able to see the things?
In the video call, and we are having the album that is being built up slowly to.
This was day 2. The event is almost done. hope you can see me drained. And in the evening we have a cultural dinner, so we need to be attending that. We can't say a no. So yeah, these are the goodies I got. Mostly t-shirts, pen, a notebook, a small badge, and this amazing bag. So yeah, so I am heading for a cultural fest right now, and we'll be having dinner.
Right, then turn right.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది చేయలేదు నేను అంటే బట్ ఈ అప్రిసియేషన్స్ అయితే మెయిన్ అని అంటారు. ఇప్పుడు ఈసారి రేటింగ్ అయితే ఎక్సెప్షన్ వచ్చింది. మరి అదే నెక్స్ట్ కూడా రావాలి, బుక్స్లో కూడా అది రావాలంటే నాకు నేను ర్యాంకింగ్ ఇచ్చారంట ఒకటే.
So we have entered Grand Hyatt. Oh, look at these. This is COCON.
Hi guys, we came with Ayushi. Today she is going to treat us in
At Grand Hyatt. Yeah. So these are some booths that were kept of different brands today, and I'll take you to the culture fest. in the evening. I mean, beautiful. I love the arrangement. Okay, so I don't think if the camera does justice, but this scene is too beautiful to be captured in a camera. I don't know. It's so scenic. And it's water. The reflection you see, it's of water. And this is Grand Hyatt. And I'm just returning. And now I end day 2 of being in Kerala and day 1 of COCON. Oh my god, this is dark. But not anymore. And here I am. Here I am. And I'm very drained. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.